Like when the horse is looking beautiful. Not right now, though.
6:48 in now. This is Zippo Z, entry of Messenger Hill of Noah, and Freddie Vasquez has the ride.
I love this horse. I love it.
Zippo Z, a 12-year-old Zangerscheid bred, was 12th last week in our Grand Prix. Freddie has ridden internationally for his native Puerto Rico, and recently helping him qualify for the Central American Games during competition in Wellington, Florida. Freddie Vasquez, the Messenger Hill entry, Zippo Z.
Nobody's waving. Oh, I got you. But they did start it anyway, but he's all right. Is it a girl? Sorry. We have one of those. All right.
Go too slow and the horse just jump.
And it wasn't Freddie either.
Was it?
Oh, he got tight in there.
Around the course, there will be a single time fall on the clock, netting a 5-fault total. 79.620 the time, and that's in 11th place at present.